Welcome back, friends. Go ahead and turn over in your workbook to page 22. And we're going to look at the model and draw section. The numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are digits. So if you hear Ms. Gates talk about or use the word digit, that means I'm just talking about one of those numbers, okay? In a two-digit number, you know the value of the digit by its place or where it is in the number, okay? So if we look at this number, we have the number 64, okay? The two digits that are in the number are 6 and 4. And in order for me to know what those digits mean, I have to look at where they are, okay? So in the number 64, I know that the 6 is in the tens place. So that means that I have 6 10 rods. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The digit 4 is in the ones place. So that tells me that I need 4 ones cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now what does that mean? Let's look at this. What do those blocks mean? We said that the 6 is in the blank place. The 6 is in the tens place. So we know that it tells us there are 6 tens, but what does that mean? When we see these green 10 rods, we're going to count by 10, or we're going to skip count by tens. So let's do that now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So when I see a 6 in the tens place, that means that I have 60. All right? So a 6 in the tens means 60. Now we also know that we have the digit 4 in the ones place. Let's see what that means. If the digit 4 is in the ones place, do you remember from calendar? What do we count by when we count these little bitty ones? We count by ones. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a 4 in the ones place means that we have 4. So this means we have 60 plus 4, or 64 is the answer. Okay? Let's look at problem number 1. In problem number 1, we see that the number is 26. And one of those digits is red. Okay? My question asks me, circle the value of the red digit. That means, what does this 6 right here equal? Does it equal 6 or does it equal 60? Well, remember, when we see the ones place, that's talking about these little blocks right here. So that tells me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to circle the 6. So make sure that on your workbook under problem number 1, you have circled the 6. All right, let's try another one. We're going to skip over to problem number 3, okay? The number that we're looking at in problem number 3 is 40. Now, if you look, the red digit changed in this one. Now, I want to find out, what does this number mean? The digit 4. Remember, you have to ask yourself, is the red digit in the tens place or the ones place? So I'm looking. I know that it's in the tens place, so that means I'm going to count these by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. So I know that the value of my digit is 40. All right, let's try another one. We're going to skip down again and we're going to go to number 5 this time. All right, here we go. The digit that I'm looking for is right here. It's this 2. Is that red 2? Is it in the tens or is it in the ones? Let's see. It's in the tens. So I need to ask myself, am I counting by tens or am I counting by ones? If the number is in the tens place, we're going to count by tens. Here we go. 10, 20. So our number is 20. All right, on your page, you should have answered number 1, number 3, and number 5 with Miss Gates. What I want you to do now is I want you to answer number 2, number 4, and number 6